Imagine the workplace of today. Now, picture artificial intelligence or AI stepping in. Could AI take your job? It's a question many people are asking. AI is no longer science fiction, it's becoming part of our reality. AI involves computer systems that learn from data. These systems can process information quickly, they can even perform tasks automatically. ChatGPT, for example, is an AI. It understands and generates human-like text. This is done by processing massive amounts of language data. AI can even hold conversations. It can answer questions. This ability makes AI suitable for tasks that involve information processing. Think about customer service roles. AI chatbots are already handling queries and offering support. Many routine tasks can be done by AI. Content writing is one example. AI can generate articles and reports. Data analysis is another area where AI shines. It can process large data sets. It can identify trends that humans might miss. Video editing is also being transformed. AI tools can edit to footage. They can even add special effects. This automation frees up human workers. They can then focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. Section 4, the human edge, creativity, skills and emotions. However, AI has limitations. Humans still have a clear advantage in certain areas. Creativity is one key area. AI can generate content, but it often lacks the originality and emotional depth of human creation. Think of artists, musicians and writers. Their unique perspectives and emotions drive their work. Critical thinking and complex decision-making are also areas where humans excel. Doctors, for instance, rely on their expertise. They use their judgment to diagnose and treat patients. These are skills that are difficult to replicate in AI. Skilled labor also remains a human domain. Electricians, plumbers and surgeons require dexterity and problem-solving abilities. Emotional intelligence is another area where humans have an edge. We can understand and respond to emotions. This is crucial in fields like counseling, teaching and leadership. Section 5, the future of work collaboration, not replacement. AI is a powerful tool, but it's important to remember that AI is here to assist us, not replace us entirely. In the future, the workplace will likely involve collaboration between humans and AI. AI will automate routine tasks. This will free up humans. We can then focus on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Will AI take over, or will we see a partnership between humans and AI? The answer likely lies in finding the right balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and nurturing our uniquely human strengths.